In a move that has sparked intense debate and legal scrutiny, President Trump has threatened to deploy the National Guard to Chicago, leaving many to question the legitimacy and necessity of such an action. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a justified measure to ensure public safety, or a politically motivated stunt? As of Tuesday, August 26, 2025, Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker and Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson have staunchly condemned the proposal, arguing that it lacks both legal grounding and practical justification. They assert that there has been no communication from the White House regarding the deployment, further fueling skepticism about its intent. President Trump's executive order aims to establish specialized National Guard units trained to handle civil disturbances and ensure public safety, with the ability to deploy rapidly nationwide. However, this is the part most people miss. Constitutional experts argue that the president can only federalize the National Guard in cases of rebellion, foreign invasion, or when federal laws cannot be enforced. Chicago-Kent College of Law professor Douglas William Godfrey emphasizes that historically, the National Guard is deployed by state governors for natural disasters, not for law enforcement unless explicitly requested, something Illinois officials insist they have not done. Data from ABC7 Chicago's analysis of police crime statistics reveals that violent crime and homicides in the city are at their lowest levels since 2014, raising questions about the urgency of such a deployment. Governor Pritzker has labeled the move as theatrics, suggesting it's designed to create chaos rather than address genuine safety concerns. In contrast, some Republicans like State Representative Martin McLaughlin argue that the deployment could have been beneficial years ago to ensure equal safety across all neighborhoods. Here's the bold question. Is President Trump overstepping his authority, or is this a necessary intervention in a city some perceive as struggling with crime? The legal battle is far from over, with local officials threatening action, though challenges to filing a preemptive lawsuit complicate the matter. Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul has highlighted the difficulties in legally contesting the deployment before it occurs. As tensions rise, one thing is clear. This issue is far from settled. What do you think? Is this deployment a legitimate measure to protect public safety, or a politically charged move? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This debate is just getting started.